Members of the United Hynniewtrep Movement UHM under the leadership of its president Charlie Rani and accompanied by local vendors of Umdiengpun Market Upper Shillong had met the principal chief conservator of forests S Gill on 11th August 2023 to hand over the memorandum regarding permission to continue with managing their stalls in the particular area. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Charlie Rani informed that as per information from the PCCF, the Forest Department had ordered the vendors to vacate their stalls by the 31st of August 2023 as a plan is already in place to convert the temporary market into a park to boost tourism in the area and the state as a whole. Rani added that while the vendors are not opposed to the construction of the park, yet they have requested the government through the Forest Department to permit the continuity of market activities at the temporary market place at Umdiengpun until such time that the construction of the proposed park starts.
Wan hang na ni ginong siyang dukan hang tay po nyomer Umdiengpun namar bangi hagine ki hendet banai mentala syu di forest ki la syuan be la syuan bu por yang ni sa sitayeu sa atayeu yang hado lai puai tarik no akos ndai syu ban syang hang tay tamada kacing Yok lap ni kendu bad iba Rani ini iba Rani ong badan ha kaseng halang te long ni kerpat kan yi be in yarap lem yang ni ban penya keren lem nak betah jong ni ba su ong nok ni balak belah hang te balak syong te te mentala jadi laisnan sofna menta pat kensan su mi nang te te long ni snau dan lat su kan pi ban le chana le belah chana rum dan lat su ka dau kan Dalam ni ketat ya ibu ini jarak kenyang ini mau.
Ngong kejonga kamde ke babean, bala da ka forest department hi kala ais ngubah temporary makara keren sai mane temporary kamde ke babean. Ba khaddu kan nai keren ke jungsong bean. Da keren ke jungsong bean. Na nganong ka forest department namar ka RTI ngila pen kre. Ki babun ki jaka ki ba. Ngidang wa jingtip kalau ada ngilap kita, kinu kita kebabean. Kemudian lada kikran ya kata, tak kini hidup kisuk. Kiba kup siang kemai mesti bam damit. Kilong kebabean mo. Kemudian lada don pada kiwe kiar, kiba take, kiba konstruk ki building, kiba lada tip shai. Kiba nginang wat, ngin sanang wat tak RTI mengilap pada proses RTI. Malah ngilap. Kemudian kita kimlong kebabean. Kata jikelingin bu. Malah ngilap pada kita kiba bun bah. Nah kalian department hak adu mentang, kila ai ka assurance singi ba kinumpat pa wing kapadyo ya.